you can actually look into the future and know which products are going to be launching within your niche in the next month. My name is Adam Fisher, and there are two ways to make sure that your product niche isn't going to get super saturated between the time that you order a product and the time that it actually gets delivered to Amazon's warehouses. Now, the first one is incredibly powerful, and I've never heard anybody talk about it. If you know that when you're actually looking at a search page on Amazon, it's only showing you listings that are in stock. If somebody has a listing and it's out of stock, they're not going to show the product. And the reality is that in order to actually get a product launched in this niche, you typically need to create your listing at least a month in advance because you need to create a listing so you can get a barcode and then send that barcode to your manufacturer and have them put that on your product packaging. So the reality is there are actually a lot of people who've created listings in their niche. They're planning on launching soon, but you just can't see them yet because they don't have any product live. So if you actually go into the back end on Amazon, like I'm doing here, you go to catalog, you go to add products, and then you search for whatever you're trying to sell. This is patented, by the way. Do not try and sell this product. You will actually be able to see everybody who's created the listing, even if they haven't launched yet. So you can look into the future and you can see how many people are going to be launching this product. So let me scroll down and show you some examples here. Here's one really good example. You want to know, you can find people who haven't launched yet. If you see that they do not have any, you see this guy has 2 used and new and used offers. If you scroll down to somebody like this guy right here that doesn't have that next to his name anywhere, that means that they're currently not in stock. So I can actually go ahead and click sell yours. I'm not actually going to sell this product, but then if I click right here, I can click through and take a look at their Amazon page. So then I can see how long ago they created this listing and kind of get a feel for the market. So I'm gonna scroll down here and I can see that this listing was created on May 17th. That right now, that is about a month and a half ago from the time I'm recording this video. So there is a really good chance that they created this listing a month and a half ago to get their barcode so they could send to their suppliers, and now this product is being manufactured and it is being sent over to the United States. So I would expect that this listing is probably going to they're going to probably be in stock here in the next month or two. And you can also see from the Keepa graph here, if you should have the Keepa extension, that they have no history at all for this product because it's never been sold. And so if you actually scroll down in here and you take a look every page for your products, you can see who is coming into stock in the next month and a half. You can see that because you can see who's created listings and hasn't launched yet. There's also another way to know if your market's going to get really saturated. And this one doesn't look as far in the future, but it shows you what's happening right now. The reality is that when people go ahead and launch products, a lot of them are doing giveaways to try and get their product ranked, even though I don't think those work very well anymore. So you can actually go over to these websites where people are doing giveaways, and you can search for your product and see if people are currently trying to give it away, which means that they just launched their product. And also is a good indicator that a lot of competition is coming to the market. I had one student who asked me, Adam, should I launch this product? It looks good. And I looked at it, I knew the market was saturated, and all I had to do was come over to JumpSend and see that 9 people were trying to give away that product. And there are like 4 or 5 different deal sites. Another one that I do searches on is Vipon. And so if there are 9 people trying to do giveaways on JumpSend, and there are 3 other websites that get a lot of traffic, there could be potentially 25 people right now trying to give away this product to get ranked. Just imagine how incredibly hard it would be to give away more units than them and get on the first page. It's just a downhill race. So with the first strategy, you can see people who honestly are looking to launch in the next month and a half. And with the next strategy, you can see people who are launching right now and are trying to get ranked. I hope this, guys, helps you know which products are going to be saturated on Amazon. Smash that subscribe button. Again, my name is Adam Fisher, and have a good day.